Friends, you are watching the Sabina and I am Shudha. A major fire broke out at a bakery after multiple LPG cylinders explosions in Indore. The incident created panic in the area. The fire occurred at Nice Bakery. The bakery is known for producing sufa bread. The incident took place between 9 am and 9:30 am. According to initial reports, a short circuit triggered the fire. Sparks are believed to have nearby packaging material. The flames spread quickly inside the bakery. Several LPG cylinders were shorted inside the premises. Officials said around 30 to 50 cylinders were present. Out of this, nearly 8 to 10 cylinders exploded. The explosions made the situation worse. Thick smoke and flames were seen rising from the bakery. Local residents rushed out of their homes in fear. Fire brigade teams were alerted immediately. Teams from GT Market, Lakshmi Bai Nagar and Moti Tavela reached the spot. Municipal fire tankers also joined the operation. Around 10 to 12 fire tenders were deployed. Firefighters worked continuously to control the blaze. The situation remained critical for several hours. It took nearly 2 to 2.5 hours to bring the fire under control. However, officials said the fire was not completely extinguished. Cooling operations were still underway. A JCB machine was brought to the site. It was used to remove debris from the bakery. This helped firefighters reach the inner areas. Despite the intensity of the fire, no casualties were reported. Workers present inside managed to escape safely. This prevented any loss of life. Officials are checking if anyone suffered minor injuries. Medical teams are on standby as a precaution. The bakery owners have been identified as Naveed. However, officials said verification of ownership is still ongoing. Documents are being checked. The district administration has taken note of the incident. The collector has ordered a detailed investigation. Authorities will examine all safety aspects. Officials will check if proper permissions were taken. Thus, the storage of a large number of LPG cylinders is under scrutiny. Safety norms will also be reviewed. The cost of firefighting operations is estimated at around 1 lakh rupee. The total damage of the bakery is yet to be calculated. Equipments and stock are believed to be heavily damaged. Police have started their inquiry. Statements of workers and nearby residents are being recorded. Technical teams will inspect the site. Authorities have urged people to follow safety guidelines. Proper handling of LPG cylinders is essential. Electrical system must also be maintained regularly. Further details are expected as the investigation continues. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.